Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you get coordinates on Google Maps. So at first, just go to your Google Maps app. Now to get coordinates, you need to drop a pin to that specific area you want. Just like I am dropping a pin here. Now just drag it from here. And here you can see this first option here is the coordinates. You can just click it like this and the address will be copied to your clipboard. So guys, that's how you can get coordinates on Google Maps. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.